is Hans the Ramen Writer coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, for you, I have a little bit of Maruchan Bukkake udon. Or Bukkake. Oh, what do you call it? It's Bukkake tempura soba. Look at this one. It's a drainy one, but I'm not going to drain it with that. No, sir. Excuse me. Got our hot water here, and we've got our here's our soba. Dropping her on in there. Little bits of kamaboko. Some people get mad at these things. I'm serious. They get mad at little pieces of dehydrated fish cake. I don't know why. I think it's because somebody left toys in it. I don't understand what it is. They're not toys. They are food. It's going to be alright. And now this is gonna chill out for 4 minutes. So if you follow my show closely, the last thing you saw me do is take some strange jar and put stuff with a funnel into another beverage container. This. Why? Well, the stuff is called NO Explode. It's called a pre-workout powder stuff. Legendary pre-workout. Whoa! You have to look this up. It's from BSN or B, whatever. It's like the Bang drinks, but it's got all this other stuff to help with, like, if you're working out, you know. My workouts consist of, this morning I started at like 4:30 and I walked back and forth out there like 1600 times. And when I'm done with all this, I'll do my editing real quick and then I'll start doing that again. I try to get like, I think I've got like 16,000 steps in today, and I want to get like at least 25,000. So, but anyways, that's the fun. And the commercial for it has like this guy lifting weights. I swear to God, they like don't show the entire recording session because at some point that eyeball that's bulging out just goes, flies across the room, bounces off the wall. The guy. It's crazy. It's crazy. But it's strangely, when I saw that before I tried, I saw that before I tried this stuff, right? I was like, that's strangely appealing. I think I want that. That sounds fun. So here I am. And I just made my appointment. No appointments for my doctor the day that's the 1 year of my of when he gave me the talk about losing weight. But there was one for that was October 18th of 18. I've got one for the 23rd, 24th. So that's close enough. I've done my calculations. And if everything works out exactly right, I mean, I really wish I could get my weight the exact day, but if everything works out right, my first video that I did, I had lost 65 pounds in 6 months. As of the second video, I think it's probably going to end up that I've lost 66 more. But we'll see. Battery low? Are you still recording? Yeah, you're still recording. Okay. My phone's battery's low. Crap. I'm glad I noticed that. Take my magical brick. Wow, I'm surprised the battery's low. I really haven't done much with it. Gotta love technology, hey. Look, there's a Maruchan sticker right there, and a couple from Red Chef. There's one from Prima Taste. There's a Vape Wild sticker. And there's a Mr. Yuck sticker. Alright. Now, this is a cold noodle, so we gotta drain it and we gotta rinse it. Goddamn noisy cricket. Time for my pail. So you might be asking, Ramen Raider, why are you taking pills? Well, this is antibiotic. Amoxicillin. At least, that's what it's known as. Probably known by many, many names. Man, I don't know what it is about this one, but this track is so freaking smooth. Man, so goddamn suave, man. You're so goddamn suave. That's a movie. If you haven't seen the movie Blue Velvet, that movie, you need to see it. Hot cha-cha. So we got our noodles they're cold. So we add this into it and stir it up. Come on, stir it up. It's really weird because it's like it calls it a okay, yeah. This is kind of like Zaru's soba. It's there's not a lot here, but this came from an umai crate. Oh, time to make my pitch to you. You know, you can go get an umai crate. Just go over to japancrate.com. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount, and you can get instant noodles and fun stuff every month. And line my pockets with gold-pressed latinum. Doesn't that sound nice? It does to me. No, but really, they're decent. They're decent boxes. I like them. Sometimes they put stuff in that I absolutely despise. This being something that I would have been like, so should we put this in the box? I would have been like, you could, but we'll see. And then this is just like tempura bits that'll go on top. I know what that tastes like, but let's see how I feel about this. Huh? Miles is like, Papa, are you drinking your special protein shake again? I like this one. This one tastes more like bacon. That's a plus. I've had so many of these that are just like so monotone and boring and weird. That didn't make any sense. They're monotonous, boring, and weird all at the same time. No, I don't know. It's just like there's so many different tempura sobas out there. But this one, being a Bukkake tempura soba, gives it a little bit more pizzazz. This one's pretty hot too. This one makes me want to go look at records at the thrift store. Or perhaps go down aisle 5. Look at the cheeses. You know, when I think cheese, so many weird things that can be said, and I think they should be said as much as possible. Plays on words are the most wonderful things in the universe. Like, for example, I was looking at an article and I just had to share it with everybody, and I'll tell you about it right now. It's an article and it said some lady got arrested, something to do with meth, and she was saying, oh no, son of a... Oh, come on, egg. Come on, egg! Come on! There we go. What did she say? If I pop hot, it's because he put meth in my sandwich. That was like, to me, little pieces, and this was a statement this lady made to the cops. To me, that is a gem. An absolute jewel of weirdness. It's like a total glimpse on somebody's jacked up reality. You know? I mean... There is Bonito in here. Bonito. It's Bonito time at the Ramen Raider. Hey. What are you doing, Miles? I hear you, but I don't see you. Miles is feeling a bit under the weather. He's taking the same antibiotic as I am. We have rabies. Well, no, mine was for, I had 2 teeth pulled. So to lessen the chance of rampant mouth infection, which I am totally cool to go without, they gave me antibiotics. And he's not home from school because he's sick. He's home from school because this is his day off. So that's a nicety. But I'm sure you join me in wishing Miles feels better every day. We're all pulling for you, buddy. And let's put a little bit of this shichimi. This is the fancy shichimi. I can't remember what the brand is, but if you know Japan, you know this. It's like it's got... I really don't like it, but I like to use it because it's fancy. There's a whole bunch of different ones. Made in Nippon. Keep refrigerated once opened. If I refrigerated this, it'd just balloon up. All the humidity in the fridge would just like destroy. Okay, so let's see if the battery's charged enough so I can actually see what you're seeing. Yep, no, come on. Oh, really? Oh, is my brick dead too? No. Is it not charging? Yeah, it's not charging. Let's try that again. There it goes. Man! We'll try again. I don't think it's going to let me do it at 4%. No. That's rough. I can't really pause you, can I? Well, I can hope this works. Does this work? If it doesn't, I don't know what to tell you. You can write to your local congressman, state representative, people that you know, trust and love, ask for forgiveness. You could just add more stuff and hope that while I do this, there's going to be more juice on the... There we go. Now it's all oily. All cold and oily. Does it need at least 5% charge? Can we do it with that? Yes, yes! We're there! Wow, 5% charge is required. Alright. Well, let's fast forward a little bit. We'll get to the next song and... Rock the party. Get on that Pan Am and shoot down to Tanzania right now. It's your last chance. Alright. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider shooting you good vibes. Enjoy the friendly skies. And hey,